The CISO role, as you know, it goes like Chief Information Security Officer. In my opinion, it is changing to Chief Information Risk Officer, right? Uh, the organizations are increasingly differentiating the security and risk, which is a good sign, which the risk aligns to the business and tries to resolve the business problems. That's the key change. When the CISO role moves to more towards risk and the business alignment, in my opinion, the next 2 years, because of the changes in cloud, APT, etc., the data will become a key, and there will be new data-centric approaches will come in. The existing approaches and framework is not sufficient to address the future problems. That's the change will happen now. The new frameworks, the new models, and the new way of working will come in. In terms of business alignment, the CISO's role will be more towards putting a framework and making sure that the confidentiality and integrity of the data is aligned to the business requirements. Okay? The data quality is becoming a big issue because of the growing amount of data and integration between a lot of business units and applications, etc. It's not silos now. Everything is integrated. There is the digital world. There is a cloud. Okay. There are external threats like APT and other. The APT, when I say APT, it is a new scenario of threats which are coming in, which are extremely difficult to identify. In these perspectives, the business alignments accordingly will change. Frankly, I'm not seeing the Indian CISO's role is changing because of the emerging threats, right? There is happening in only one small segment. But in the Indian scenario, the compliance is driving the CISO's job more than the business alignments and emerging threats. I think that needs to be accepted as a truth today. That people have moved 3 years back, right? They have moved to make in compliance with the regulators, and last 2 years, in my opinion, the CISOs have become security implementation project managers, right? People are busy in implementing DLP. People are busy in projects. I think in future, these executions will be given to the IT world, and CISOs will play a more risk manager's role, right? Checking the compliances and making sure that emerging threats are not coming. That change has to happen. We should not become a security product implementation project guys within the organization.